On to my channel once again. So before I continue, I want to explain a couple things that I'm kind of looking at. As you can see, there's more rain coming from this side. That's newly rain. This whole area is brand new rain. The area is a high flood area, so they're getting high flood. They're gonna get hit twice. So I don't even want to think about what's gonna happen tomorrow. So this is a day after tomorrow scenarios. It's coming down hard. Shoot, it is quite scary. I'm right here in the middle of outside. We're about to drive right through it. The wind is picking up, as you can see. Wind is picking up. Oh shoot. Okay, high flooded area literally right under me. We're on the high flood area. It's very high. Red is high. Pink is really high. Oh shoot. Crap. All right. Shoot. I don't know what to do. Should I return home? Feels like home is getting rained out bad. It's a scary feeling of what's happening around. It's coming hard. I got everything ready. Keep you updated on the next videos. So it's coming really, really hard. I'm gonna be driving all the way to this interstate, going all the way here. Okay, it's coming. Okay. Oh shoot. It's coming hard now. Kinda scared. What's going to go around? All right, it's about to hit us now. Range. All right, we'll get a taste of all this very soon. Okay, I'm just watching how this is developing. It's a really good app. I like this app. It saves me many times about motorcycles when I'm driving. Seeing the weather, how it looks like. It's in the first or the last time. So I'll see you in the next video.